got some smart dogs. If these smart dogs are good, these summer barbecues are gonna be lit. What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and today I'm bringing you guys another food review. Right here, we got some Smart Dogs. It's a meatless veggie hot dog by Lightlife. Now Lightlife, they got some pretty good products so far. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a long time, you already know about that vegan bacon. I eat it damn near every day, you know what I'm saying? So every time I went to the store, every single time, man, I always see this. Every time. I gotta review it. This right here was about, I think it was like $4 for this pack, and there's 8 in the pack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up on a skillet, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest taste test of this. I'm hoping it's good, man, because when I was a kid, I used to eat hot dogs all the time. In the black community, hot dogs and pork and beans. You know what I'm saying? That's hot dogs and baked beans for you guys that don't know. I used to put hot dogs on my ramen noodles. Hot dogs with some cheese on it, put it in the microwave. Hot dogs can go a long way. So if this is good, man, I'm gonna be able to recreate some of my childhood favorites. You feel me? We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. Y'all stay tuned. So in order to cook these, I'm not gonna boil them. I'm not gonna put them in the microwave. I'm gonna put on the stove top. Directions say to put a little bit of oil inside of the pan. I'm gonna make 2 for me and Roland. So put a little bit of oil in there. Put it on medium heat. Just kind of cook it and, you know, turn it as it go. See, it looks like a hot dog. Hopefully it tastes like one. Because believe it or not, man, regular hot dogs, they got a bunch of nasty stuff in it, man. Now that I'm older, you know what I'm saying, I don't have to eat hot dogs. I can actually go buy my groceries. When I was a kid, man, my mom would buy hot dogs, and that's the only thing we had to eat. So I had no choice, man. Either I eat the hot dogs or I go to bed hungry, you feel me? So choice is yours. I'm gonna let these cook up, and then I'm gonna plate it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. The hot dogs are finished. Looking nice and pretty right here. Shout out to Roland for making this look nice. This is where you see the thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? You had to get the thumbnail right, you feel me? It don't matter how it look. It's about how it tastes. And y'all know I'm gonna give y'all my raw and honest opinion on this. My mouth is watering looking at it. When I was cooking it, it smelled like a hot dog. It ain't smell like nothing weird. It didn't smell like carrot juice or celery juice. It smelled pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, man. My mouth is watering, dog. A little ketchup on my fingers. All right, go ahead and get him close up real quick on this. Fits pretty good inside of the bun. I'm hoping this tastes good, man. So this summer's coming up, man. We can have some cookouts, barbecue up some vegan hot dogs. Go ahead and give you my honest taste test. Wow. Yo. Yo. Wow, bro. So, that is crazy. Bro, that's crazy. Like, straight up, yo. This shit actually tastes like a hot dog. Wow, man. Wow, bro. This shit really tastes like a hot dog, y'all. Hey, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm not even gonna run away, because I hit legs a couple days ago. It's so good, I wanna run away. My legs are sore, because I went to the gym a couple days ago, hit some legs. I can't run away right now, you know what I'm saying? But just picture me running out that door, you know what I'm saying, and running down the street. That's how good this is, man. This is really good, y'all. I'm so surprised how good this is. It doesn't have like a weird taste. It tastes like a hot dog. That is crazy to me. Yeah, man. Lightlife, you did a great job, man. Like, straight up, you did an amazing job with this. So now this summer, I won't feel left out at the barbecues. I won't feel left out at the cookouts. I'm gonna come with these, right? This is what I'm gonna do this summer. This is exactly what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna take over the grill. I'm gonna act like I'm cooking regular hot dogs for everybody. You know what I'm saying? This is how you trick people, right? Because a lot of times people, they hear the term vegan. Oh, vegan hot dogs must be nasty. Vegan hamburger probably tastes like grass. They say all these things because the word vegan is in front of it. But give them something and don't even tell them that it's vegan. Watch how they react. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and cook these up on the grill, give it to my family. Oh yeah, y'all say you want hot dogs? Yeah, I went to the store, got some regular ones. They gonna be over there like this. Yeah. That's vegan, by the way. That's a veggie hot dog, by the way. I definitely recommend this. Hands down, 10 out of 10. Correct, check mark. This is good. Definitely try this. If you've tried this before, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I got this from Wegmans, but I've seen this in Giant. I'm pretty sure they got it in Walmart as well. Like I said, definitely good. Some of those childhood foods that I was talking about, I definitely will be making some of those. You know, the hot dogs and pork and beans. I will be making the hot dogs with the vegan cheese on it, you feel me? But yeah, go cop that. I'm gonna give you guys a positive comment. Hummus Hero. Hummus Hero, shout out to you. Hummus Hero says, Chef T videos are dope. I know your channel's gonna blow up soon. Hey man, I appreciate that positivity, that love, and that support, man. It means a lot to me. We're gonna keep grinding. But with all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Better hit it. Also, click the bell so you can get notifications anytime I post. And I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?